Welcome to Mastering Machines, where we discover tomorrow's reality.
Welcome to Mastering Machines. For years, we've speculated about how AI would transform the workplace. But now, for the first time, we have real data. Not predictions, not surveys, but actual evidence of how AI is being used across the American economy in different sectors. This groundbreaking research is coming from Anthropic. Yes, the same Anthropic that has created Claude. They analyzed millions of conversations between workers and AI, giving us an unprecedented window into how this technology is really being used in the workplace. Let's start with the big picture. Today, about 36% of occupations use AI for at least a quarter of their tasks. But here's what's crucial. Only 4% of jobs use AI for 3/4 or more of their work. This isn't a story of wholesale replacement, it's about selective adoption. So let's break down where AI is being used the most by sector. So at 37.2%, computer and mathematical occupations lead. Then there's arts and media, which is 10.3%. Then education and library at 9.3%. Office and administrative work at 7.9%. I was kind of surprised by that. Life sciences at 6.4%. And business and financial operations at 5.9%. But this is where the paper gets really interesting. When we compare these numbers to the actual workforce, we see striking disparities. Computer-related jobs make up only 3.4% of the workforce, yet they account for 37.2% of AI use. Meanwhile, office and administrative workers make up 12.2% of the workforce, but only 7.9% of AI usage. Now, let's tackle a crucial question. And this is AI replacing human workers or helping them? And the data shows a clear pattern. 57.4% of AI use is augmentation, breaking down into 31.3% task iteration, where AI helps refine and improve work, 23.3% learning, where AI assists in skill development, and 2.8% validation, where AI checks and verifies human work. The remaining 42.6% involves automation, split between 27.8% of directive tasks, and that's where AI works independently, and then there's 14.8% feedback loop tasks, where AI requires some type of human guidance or human in the loop. Perhaps the most revealing is how AI use correlates with wages. The data shows a fascinating pattern. It's not the highest or lowest paid workers using AI most frequently. At the lower end, jobs like shampooers earning $25,000 annually show minimal AI use. At the upper end, specialists like obstetricians earning $200,000 plus also show limited AI interaction. The sweet spot for AI, mid to high salary positions like computer programmers and data scientists. This leads us to a crucial insight. AI adoption isn't about entire jobs. It's specifically about specific tasks. Take writing and coding, for example. These tasks appear across multiple professions, and they're where AI has gained the most traction. But we need to acknowledge some important caveats. We can't always distinguish between professional and personal AI use. The data doesn't show how people use AI's outputs. Some creative uses like image generation aren't captured in the report, and coding might be overrepresented due to the AI system's advertised capabilities. So that's kind of some of the limitations of what's presented in the report. This research gives us our first real baseline for measuring AI's impact on work. As these systems evolve, this picture will change. The question isn't whether AI will transform work, it's how this transformation will unfold across different sectors and tasks. What's clear is that we're not seeing the wholesale automation some predicted. Instead, we're watching a more nuanced revolution, one where AI is being selectively integrated into specific tasks across the workforce. This isn't just about understanding where we are, it's about preparing for where we're going with AI. As AI capabilities expand, this pattern of adoption will evolve. The challenges ahead aren't just technological, It's about understanding how to best combine human and artificial intelligence across the entire economy. The future of work isn't being written in broad strokes. It's emerging task by task, profession by profession, in millions of daily interactions between humans and the AI models. Remember, this has been Mastering Machines. Discover tomorrow's reality.